Hi, my name is Arsh. Welcome to part number 2. Today we're going to learn about plants. We're done with part number 1. Never mind that. So first thing, Allah made these grasses all over the place. Okay? Then this leaf is a pattern. Then this leaf is brown. This is brown in sign language. Then this is brown in sign language. And green is this. No, not green. Green is this. And then we have these things again. The leaf. You see those wet, but you don't see it. We don't show them in the camera. You see a little. Okay, I'm gonna rip it and you'll see a little. See? But and then we have this. You can easily break this and it's a color round. Next I have that's all for today. Welcome. Well, thank you for learning from me. Part number 2.